Okay, good morning, student. We'll start the second part. In every lecture, I no need to shout that mute your mic. Okay, in last lecture 6.1, we have completed fourth sum. Now, fifth sum in different way. Tan theta is equal to 1. It is given, and you have to find out sin plus cos divided by sec plus cosec. Mute the mic, I said. So 1 you can write 1 by 1. This is opposite by adjacent. So take this A, B, C. So this is 1, this is 1. So by Pythagoras you will get root 2. For example, AC square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, our question is to find out the value of sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. This is sec, hypotenuse adjacent, plus hypotenuse opposite. With respect to this, opposite is 1, hypotenuse root 2. 1 root 2. This is root 2, root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 times. So 2 by root 2, 2 times 1 by root 2, like this. Root 2 plus root 2 means x plus x, 2x. Root 2 plus root 2, 2x. 2 root x. Sorry, 2 root 2 by 1. So now I will invert 2 root 2 into 1 by 2 root 2. 2 cancel. 1 into 1, 1. Root 2 is. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now from here I am continuing here. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta. This is part 1 of the solution, means one method, second method. Sin means sin. Shreyas, now who will switch on the mic? No, you remove. Don't give warning. Every time I have to concentrate on that. Sec is equal to 1 by cos theta. This is equal to sin theta. This will be the same. Sin theta, cos theta. Cross product. Sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta, cos theta. Invert. Okay, this you can write this by 1. So sin theta plus cos theta by 1 into sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This will cancel. So only sin theta cos theta will remain. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. So it is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. It is 1 by 2. Method 1, method 2, now method 3. Now I'll start with first condition. Tan theta is 1. Which tan theta is 1? Given that tan theta is 1, by tabular form you will find tan 45 is 1. So theta is equal to 45 degree. And now substitute every theta as 45. So sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Sin 45, cos 45, sec 45, cosec 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 again 1 by root 2. Sec 45 root 2. Cosec 45 also it is root 2. By table information, root 2, root 2, root 2, or you can take 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 times 1 by root 2. Divide by root 2, root 2, 2 root 2 by 1. Now inward, 2 root 2 into 1 by 2 root 2. 2 to cancel. 1 into 1, 1, root 2, root 2, 2. So this 1, 2, 3. Do any method, you will get full mark. Previous, I have divided this chapter into 3 main group. First from 1 ratio to many ratio. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then word problem. So now we will start part 2. To prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. For that I'll remove this. Some hint you require to prove left is equal to right. That is sin theta cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. This 6 directly, indirectly, directly, indirectly we will use. Okay. So in part 2 we are starting of sixth first to prove that sin square theta by cos theta plus cos theta by 1 is equal to sec theta. You have to follow my method, my steps. Full question, left hand side, right hand side, you have to write. Then just write left hand side is equal to sin square theta cos theta 1. There are 6 ratio. Sin and cos are basic ratio. Rest of 4 are dependent ratio. That dependent ratio always you have to convert into sin and cos. That is the best method for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th standard. Here all are basic. So just we will do the simplifies. 1 into sin square theta. Cos into cos square theta. Divide by cos theta. We know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. That is why I have written all the points. So here I will write 1 cos theta bracket sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. What you are substituting, what you are changing, instead of what you are writing, that you have to write in bracket. So this omitted. Why? Because this is 1. And cos into sec is equal to 1. So 1 by cos is equal to sec. 1 by cos is equal to sec. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. And that we want. So it is right hand side. And then again you have to write sin square by cos plus cos is equal to sec theta. Sorry, now I'll write up. Now sixth second. Cos square plus, it is given cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now this will be same as it is. 1 plus tan square, you know 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. First left hand side. Again who is talking? So cos square will be same. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. You will write in the bracket that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. What you are substituting, you have to write cos into sec is equal to 1, so sec is equal to 1 by cos. Sec is equal to 1 by cos theta. So sec square is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Cos square change cancel. So 1 is equal to right hand side. Therefore LHS RHS. Therefore cos square theta 1 plus tan square theta method. Again I want to explain, not the solution. First, what is given to be proved? Left is equal to right. Write full statement. Then write only left hand side. Then substitute. Try to get right hand side. Is equal to 1, 1. So is equal to right hand side. Then again write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then again write this, because this you have to prove. So that should be the last statement. This only system you have to follow. Remember that. Don't do ulta pulta work. In textbook also they have given same, so no different methodology. 1 plus sign divided by 1 minus sign by 1 plus sign. Why I have given star? Because from this exercise, from this question, there are 12 questions in second. Not in 6, sorry, in second. In second, there are 12 questions. Among that, this question in SSC board exam, they have asked maximum number of time. So 1 minus sign, 1 minus sign, 1 plus sign. You have to prove it is sec theta, tan theta, I think. So left hand side, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. Correct? So always you have to take conjugate pair of denominator. If it is plus, multiply and divide by minus. If it is minus, multiply and divide by plus. So 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. Again I am explaining, wait. In denominator minus pair is there, with plus pair is there, and the conjugate pair is minus, opposite. So multiply, when there is a ratio, and if we will multiply by same number, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So with 4 you can cut 3 by 2. So when you will multiply and divide with the same number, the ratio will not change. Right. Multiply and divide by 1 minus sine theta. What you are doing, that only you have to write. Same bracket. So 1 minus sine theta square. So 1 minus sine square theta. Bracket into bracket, bracket square. But a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So a square, 1 square 1. B square, sine into sine, sine square. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. This will be the same, because this is a bracket square. 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. So here I will write, simplifying. Here I will write 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square theta, but cos square plus sine square is equal to 1. So cos theta square also you can write square root. Square root of square x, square root of square y. So this cancel. So this cancel. So it is 1 minus sine by cos theta. This. Then under this I am writing this side. 1 minus sine theta, separate division, cos theta, right, by equal ratio theorem. If denominator is common, you can give that same denominator to all. That is known as equal ratio theorem. Now 1 by cos is equal to sec theta. Sin by cos is equal to tan theta, is equal to right hand side. Then you have to write left hand side is equal to right hand side, and again you have to write the equation. So here what I will write, 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, and sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Which substitution you are doing, that you have to write. So these 6 points if you will keep in mind, and you know that tan is equal to sin by cos, and cot is equal to cos by sin. Again, who speaker is start? This is the 10th time in 20 minutes I am speaking same to same, but people are not understanding my pain.
Sir, you unmute yourself.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Those who are troubling again and again, remove permanently. If 10 student will come, no problem. To continuously write, to continuous to speak, and this type of the disturbance. In our team, get ready for the video. Send me. Okay, left hand side. Sec theta, cos theta. This is cot theta, tan theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta plus cos theta minus cos theta by 1. This is simplification. Cot means what? Cos theta, sin theta. This is what? Sin theta, cos theta. Cross product. Here what we have invert? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta we have written. Cos to cos. And we have written tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. We have written cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. 1, 2 and 3 I have changed. Now cross product. 1, 1 cos into cos, cos square theta divided by cos theta. Cos square theta, sin square theta, sin theta, cos theta. Simplify, or you can say cross products. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square theta by cos theta. Sin square plus cos square. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. That is why I have written opposite. Sin theta, cos theta. What I have done? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta I have done. And I have done sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I am writing short because no space. So this is only simplify. Sin theta into 1. Sin square means sin into sin 1. Cos sin cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. So sin by sin cancel. So this will be 1 by cos theta. Sin by cos theta. 1 by cos is equal to sec theta. Sin by cos is equal to tan theta. And that we want. Automatically it will come, no need to manipulate. Then write full equation, okay? Here I have written simplify. I have done simplification. Here sin cancel, simplification. If you will not write, it is okay. Here what I have done, 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Here what I have done, sin theta, cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now dear student, full on basic of trigo from zero. That trigo is related to triangle. There are 6 types of the triangle. Trigo is related to the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, when the angle change, opposite and adjacent only will change. Hypotenuse will remain same. There are 6 ratios. 2 ratios are basic, sine and cos, because adjacent hypotenuse, opposite hypotenuse. Then rest of are dependent. This is the basic of trigo. From zero, I have introduced trigo. Now, two sum I will explain. I will explain two separate sum. Then I will give the solution. At the end, I will ask one question, one intelligent question. If you know the answer of that, means you know something about trigo. If you can't answer that, you have to start trigo with zero again. Only two sum. See very carefully. It's your test. In those who are teaching you this trigono, you can ask to them. I'll give you the time. I will not give the answer today only. One equation is sec square theta plus cos x square theta is equal to sec square theta cos x square theta. And one is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2, so that tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 2. To prove that, left and right we have to prove. This is given, from that this also we have to prove. First see this. Full solution I will give. Listen very carefully, and that I will correlate with another example. At the end I will ask some question. Single question, simple question. Okay, first of all, cosec into sec is equal to 1. So sec is equal to 1 by cos. So what is square? Square. Cosec into sine is equal to 1. So cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine. So cosec square is equal to 1 by sine square. Okay. So with the left hand side I have started. Correct. Now cross product. Sin square theta cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta cos square theta is 1. So here I will write sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and here I will write cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Then I will write what I have substituted, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Correct. So this I will write 1 by sin square theta dot 1 by cos square theta. Just simplify. And 1 by sin is equal to cosec. Cosec square theta. 1 by cos is equal to sec. So cos square theta, sec square theta, or you can write sec square theta. It is proved, hence it is proved. This is simple. 1 by sine you have proved cosec. 1 by cos you have written sec again. So is equal to right hand side, LHS is equal to RHS. Forget this. Left is equal to right, I have proved. Second example, left is equal to right. It is not given left right. They have given two equations. If 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 2, prove that 10 square plus 1 by 10 square is equal to 2. Question again the question. tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. Taking square on both the side, this is one given. Now taking square on both the side, tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2 square. So it will be a square plus 2 a into b plus 1 by a square plus 2ab into plus b square is equal to 2 to the 4. So tan will cancel. Tan will cancel. So it is tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 4. So tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Tan plus 1 by tan is equal to 2 given. Tan square plus 1 by tan square is equal to 2. I have proved. Now my question will start. Wait. How many minutes remain, Ashish? Ashish say.
5 minutes. 5 minutes, sir.
Very good. My question will complete because it is a long question. Student, now listen very carefully. At the end, I will ask one question. Left is equal to right given. I have proved. One value given, second value we have to prove. I have proved. Now my question begins. This is sec square. This is also sec square. So I will write a square, for example. Both are equal. Plus, so plus. Product, so product. Cosec square. I will take b square. Same to same, so b square. So exactly what we have proved, a square plus b square is equal to a square into b square. Already we have proved, huh? Prove. Already it is proved. A same, b same, a square plus b square is equal to a square into b square. We have proved. Now I will take value. 3 square, 4 square, 3 square, 4 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, this is 25. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144. It is not equal. But we have proved it is equal. Here we have proved, here we can't prove. Same. This is a square. So it is a, here also a. This is b, 1 by 10 is equal to b. 1 by 10 square is equal to b square. Means sum of two number is 2. Square of this, again it is 2. That we have proved. If a plus b is equal to 2, then a square plus b square also it is equal to 2. We have proved. But is it possible? Suppose I will take 3 plus 4. So it should be 7. Whatever the number, it is 2, no? So same it should be. 3 square plus 4 square. It's not equal. But we have proved. Whatever a plus b is equal to 2, again square of that number, again the total is 2. How it is possible? Here by red mark, by my example, it is not equal. Here we have proved sec square plus cosec square, sec square into cosec square. A square plus b square is equal to a square into b square. By example, it is not possible. Here possible, I have proved. Anybody have idea how to? You got my question? Those who are teaching you this trigono, you ask them also how this is possible. Same equation I am converting in this. At that time it is not equal, but in trigo I am when solving left is equal to right. Here 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 2 and 10 square plus 1 by 10 square is equal to 2. Here sec square plus cosec square is equal to sec square. Whatever the answer of plus, that is the answer of product. How it is possible? Is it possible? Not possible, but it is possible. So what is right? Possible is right or not possible is right? What is not? What is the reason behind that one time it is coming? Yes, one time it is coming. No. Aditi is there. Aditi. Aditi is not there. Priti is there.
No.
Okay. Ashish will tell. Ashish tell. You all got
Sir,
my.
because
Huh. Say.
because of you, sir.
What?
You made it possible.
Array, no. By Trigo, it is officially possible. Say anything you can speak. Today is a Constitution Day, 26 November, declared by Narendra Modi. You can speak anything. It is a बोलने की आजादी, सोचने की आजादी, एक्सप्रेस करने की आजादी. बोलो. गर्ल्स, श्रेया प्रिया, कुछ तो बोलो. मैं पूरा एक दिन दूंगा, कल आंसर मैं कल दूंगा. एक दिन में मैं आज तो सिर्फ यस और नो बोलूंगा आपके आंसर्स को. And in the beginning, I told if you can answer, you know something related to the trigo. If you can't answer, you don't know anything about trigo. पूरी ये 3 लेक्चर्स की जो मेहनत है पानी में गई. हाँ से.
Sir, because of that values.
But here possible, here not possible. In same equation, I have substituted something. If it is a formula, it should be unique. My question is what? Why here possible and here not possible? Single one word I want. Single one word. And that reason why yes, why no, that today also I have explained. Because without that, trigo is incomplete. बोलो. जहां जहां ट्रिगो सीखते हो ना, सब जगह पूछना है why this is possible and why this is not possible. और जो जो आंसर मिले, आपका भी आंसर ढूंढो. You give your answers, give your guide answer. Girls, speak something. Priya, Shreya, Bhumi, Aditi, Sumi, Tba, हाँ, Tanushree, Bhumika, Nikita is there. Nikita is there. Who are there?
No, sir.
Shreyas is there. Shreyas. Aunsh is there. Aunsh. Okay, you just think on it, and tomorrow we will meet. Please send your videos fast. First I have sent. See, in a different. I have tried to do something different. So from your side also I want. So please, within 10 minutes, send your videos. Close the meeting.